What's up, guys? Today we're going to the TSMC, the Taiwan Semiconductor Company, or manufacturing company, something like that. Yeah. So I have an extra hour before I have to be there for my tour. So I'm going to rent an electric bike and take a tour of Hsinchu. This is actually quite expensive because it's electric. It's a whole $1. These normal bikes are like 30 cents. Okay. Whoa! Yeah, this thing does all the work for you. Holy crap. I'm not trying at all, and I'm moving. I'm going like, what is this, 25 kilometers an hour? I'm not trying at all. It's hot, but it's a beautiful day. Is this a car road? I feel almost guilty. I'm not even pedaling. Oh! Bicep. What the? So Hsinchu is known for being like the science capital of Taiwan. So everything's just like super brand new, and gentrified is the wrong word, but just like high tech and new and unused because nobody lives here. It's kind of like a city that they planned out to be awesome, like San Francisco 2.0, and just maybe it just hasn't worked yet. nice. It's the pump track. I'm probably the first person ever to use this. Oh my God. Yeah. I bottomed out. Why didn't I grow up here? This looks illegal. I promise it's legal to ride on the shoulder. I think it's a scooter lane. It's the only way over this river. Biked all around the city for an hour and a half on an electric bike. It was $1.25.
Dr. Morris Chang came up with an innovative business model. And
That was awesome. It was also free. Too nice. Highly recommend them. Give me free food, and they're the greatest people ever. Made it back to the station. Missed my train. The traffic was awful, but very characteristic of Taiwanese people. You can change your ticket for free if you miss your train. So I'm gonna do that and get home fine. I missed the next train by about 5 seconds, so now I got half an hour to look around the station. What up, my duck? Chill.